Secure, private cloud vendor portals are provided at ComplianceNetworks.com and powered by Compliance Networks. The free vendor portals at ComplianceNetworks.com enable vendors to view chargeback information, including supporting reports and photos, dispute chargebacks, including the ability to attach documents that support reasons for the dispute, inquire about the status of disputes and any reversals, view daily, weekly, and monthly historical reports, manage users, view scorecards and reports when applicable, receive system messages or notifications, learn from help resources, including documents and videos, access retailers' compliance guidelines and other valuable trading partner information. In this video, you will learn how to request a new portal account, log in to your ComplianceNetworks.com portal account, change your new account temporary password, find help documentation. Let's get started. In order to log in, you must request an account from the retailer and receive a new account email. If you have not received a new account email, click on the Request Access button under the RCMS login box to send an email request to the retailer. After you have received the new account email, you may proceed. The most important items in the new account email are the hyperlink to the retailer's portal, your username, your email address at which you received the new account email, and your temporary password. To visit the vendor portal for the retailer who created the account in the email you received, click on the link in the middle of the email body. Your browser will display the retailer's portal login page. At the bottom of the login page, you will find important information about which web browsers are compatible with ComplianceNetworks.com portals. If you have problems with portal functionality, first check your browser version and make sure it's compatible. If your browser is compatible and you continue to have issues, click on the Request Access button under the RCMS login box to email us a screenshot of your web browser version and a screenshot of the error message you are receiving. After you have confirmed that you are using a compatible browser, it's time to log in to your vendor portal account. Confirm the retailer's logo on the login page. And log in by left-clicking your cursor in the username field in the RCMS login box in the middle of the login page. Enter your username, which is the email address at which you received the new account email. Then, tab to the next field and enter the temporary password provided in the retailer's new account email. Please note, do not attempt to cut and paste the password into the password field in the vendor portal login dialog box. You'll probably capture a space in your password by accident, thus creating an invalid password. After entering your temporary password, click on the Login button below the password field. If you enter an invalid user ID and/or password, the portal will display a login error message stating invalid username or password provided. Click on the error message box to close it. Confirm your password and re-enter it. If you continue to receive the login error message, click on the Reset Password link below the login box. You will receive an email at the email address that is your user ID with a new temporary password. After several failed login attempts, you will receive an error message notifying you to wait 2 minutes before you attempt to log in. Clicking Log In indicates that you accept the terms of the user agreement and privacy policy. To review the user agreement and privacy policy, click on either of their links at the bottom of the login page. After successfully logging in for the first time, or after resetting your password, you must replace the current temporary password assigned to you in the new account email with your own new permanent personal password that you create. The password must be a strong password that contains at least 9 characters, including at least 3 of the following 4 types of characters: an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a symbol or special character. An example of a strong password is capital P, password, 123 exclamation point. The P is the uppercase letter. The remainder of the word password is lowercase letters. 1, 2, and 3 are numbers, and the exclamation point is a special character. This is an example. Please do not use this as your password. After successfully logging in, the ComplianceNetworks.com portal homepage for that retailer will open in your browser. You should confirm that you have arrived at the correct retailer's homepage by checking the retailer's logo on the homepage. If the logo you see does not belong to the retailer whose portal you wish to access, return to www.compliancenetworks.com and select a retailer from the scrolling retailer icons at the bottom of the page. The Help menu in the portal enables users to gain access to a large number of user help and training resources, including frequently asked questions, information and documents specific to the retailer, portal help documents that provide information about how to use the portal tools or functionality, training videos similar to this one that are focused on the most important vendor portal functionalities, and premium support services for Passport subscribers. Self-help documents may vary depending on the retailer. Help documents and videos may be downloaded to your PC or viewed via your web browser. This concludes the ComplianceNetworks.com new account and login training video. Thank you for viewing.